So it says solve the simultaneous equations. 3x minus 4y is equal to 11. 9x plus 2y is equal to 5, right? So I'm going to write these again. 3x, it's a bit too thick. Let me do it again. So 3x minus 4y is equal to 11. 9x plus 2y is equal to 5, right? We've got equation 1, we've got equation 2. Remember, our job is to eliminate one of the variables. Neither x nor y have the same number in front of them. So you have an option now. You can either choose to make the x is the same or y is the same, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose to make the x's the same, right? I'm going to just make these x's the same, right? When I look at the x's, I've got a 3 there and I've got a 9 there, right? I need to make those numbers the same. So essentially, I've got 3x, I've got 9x like that. And I need to ask myself, well, what number do I know that will allow them, what number will allow these to have the same number in front, right? Remember, these are multiples. Essentially, that they're like denominators. Figure out what the lowest common multiple of 3 and 9 is, right? LCM of 3 and 9 is this equal to 9, isn't it, right? Because 3 is a factor of 9, right? So the lowest common multiple is going to be 9. So that means I can make a 9 for both of them, okay? So it's going to be a 9 there. It's going to be a 9 there. Now, to go from a 3 to a 9, we multiply by 3. To go from a 9 to a 9, we multiply by 1. So that stays the same. We don't touch that, right? The one that has a 9 in front of the x, the bottom one, we keep the same. It's the top one that we have to multiply by 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say equation 1, we're going to multiply by 3. If I do that, that will be 3x minus 4y is equal to 11, which would mean that we're going to times that by 3. Times each of them by 3 is going to be 9x. 3 times 3x is 9x. Minus 4 times 3 is minus 12. And then 11 times 3 is 33. So that is going to be my new top equation. So now it's going to be 9x minus 12y is equal to 33 on the top. And then the bottom is going to stay the same. 9x plus 2y is going to equal 5. Is everybody happy with that, guys? I want everyone to tell me yes or no. Anybody get here as well? Yeah. Good stuff. Brilliant. Right. So now we're going to take away, take away, take away. Right. 9, take away 9 is 0. We know that. That always is 0. We've got minus 12 and then we're minusing 2. Minus 12 minus 2, that's minus 14, isn't it? So that's going to be minus 14y. And then 33 take away 5 is just 28. So we're here now. I'll do it here. That 0 can go off. It's just minus 14y is equal to 28, which would mean that we're going to divide through by minus 14 to get the y on its own. So it's going to be y is equal to 28 divided by minus 14. Now, how do you do this? Very, very simple. Do 28 divided by 14, that's just 2. There's a minus on the bottom, so it's going to be negative overall. So y is equal to minus 2. Anybody get that correct? Anybody get y equals minus 2? Yeah. Well done, good Zag, good stuff. So now we've got that. We can now substitute that into either one of the original equations, right? Which is one of these ones. Doesn't matter which one you choose. I'm going to choose, I'll choose the bottom one. 9x plus 2y is equal to 5, right? 9x plus 2y is equal to 5. We know that y is equal to minus 2. So if I substitute that in, it's going to be 9x plus 2, lots of minus 2, is equal to 5. 9x, 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. That's equal to 5. That means that 9x is going to equal, remember, we're going to move this over there by adding on. So 9x is going to equal 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So to get x now, we just divide through by that 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So therefore, x is equal to 1. And that means that your final answer is x equals 1 and y equals minus 2. That's it. Anybody get that correct?